Hey everyone, welcome on into a Valentine kitchen edition. I'm Tara Tesher.
I actually can't top that. Valentine kitchen edition. I'm Lisa Lasor.
I was like, are we going to get to your name? She remembered. That is good.
I did.
Good things. So I thought it would be really fun to take some like store-bought concepts.
Yes.
And have some fun with it. Do a little like Galentine's Day, like decorations and things like that.
I
You
love
like
this idea.
plan?
Well,
arts and crafts.
themes. Hold on. I brought like a little, like cheerleading.
Is this your
thing.
like I surrender?
Look.
I surrender.
We're ready.
Toro.
We're ready for Valentine's Day.
Yes, welcome.
Need a handkerchief?
Hey,
Kidding.
welcome to our Galentine's Day edition. Lisa's got her flag, and we are ready to roll. All right, so I thought it would be fun.
Yeah.
If you want to make your own icing, super fun. If you have time to do it, great, do it. We gave you a kind of fun little recipe to do that.
Okay.
Or, of course, you can use store-bought. I'm a big fan of store-bought, but hey, I wanted to show you how easy it was to do it. So we put 9...
It's a big mixer over
What do you mean? And it's gonna go super fast. My favorite way to do
where's my
things.
umbrella?
So I already have the water in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna add meringue powder.
Okay.
So meringue powder is really pretty cool. You can find it in the baking section in almost all of your grocery stores.
Okay.
Usually up on the top. Okay. Okay.
Step stools required.
And then look at this confectionery sugar. We're gonna add that. I'm actually gonna turn it on, Lisa. What do you think?
Okay.
We're gonna start it on
Where are
low.
my glasses?
Where are your glasses?
We all know what's going to happen.
We're gonna start it on low.
Yes.
As soon as I plug it in. Give me 1 second.
Hold on. Here. Let me do this.
Lisa, you got it?
Oh my
I mean, I
gosh.
can't be expected to do everything, can I?
It's a good thing I'm here.
It is a good thing you're here, but feel free to turn it on at any point, okay?
let's
I'm
see
gonna
if
have
that
it on
works.
turbo.
You want to try it?
It's on.
I'm going to stand back here. Feel free to turn it on.
There we go. Yeah, baby. Go. Okay. This is my first time in the kitchen. Sadly.
We learn as we go.
I guess. I mean,
Yeah.
by the way, confectionery sugar is wonderful. Meringue, water. It's gonna look a little runny when you're first doing it.
Okay.
And by the way, I'm adding this nicely because if I go like this, Lisa's gonna panic. But-
I've done
did
a
it
few
anyway.
of these with her before where...
Sorry, what?
Yes.
Sorry, huh?
I've had stuff
What's
in my
happening?
hair.
What's happening?
Turbo.
Let me know. Are there many recipes that say crank it all the way up and let it rip? This one.
This is why this is your recipe. Can you hear us?
I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what did you say? Then I'm just going to push down a little on the sides,
Okay.
get this all in.
Incorporate it
I am
all.
incorporating it.
Incorporate it.
Incorporate
It's an LLC over there. Sorry.
Ready? Back to turbo.
Back to turbo.
I don't even like let it like.
Wow, this is fun.
Pretty cool, right?
It is very fun.
Okay.
Take a peek in.
Look.
I see.
So that is so easy to make your icing,
Wow.
right? But here's the best part.
I never
If
know.
you don't have time to make your icing, that's fine. You can use store-bought. We actually then put the icing, we put a little gel-based food coloring in here. Pro tip, okay? Gel-based. And now, Lisa, look, we went to the store
Yes.
and bought
Cute.
some heart-shaped
Okay.
cookies that we can go ahead and decorate.
You want to know my favorite thing about Valentine's Day? One of them
What?
is the amazing products that you design in romance. And
Yes.
if you search romance, you go to QVC.com and search romance, you're going to find beautiful things. Or if you search red floral lace or red old world. Hey, wait, she's getting a jump start. I'm back in. You do the talking.
I mean, you're talking.
And
I'm
look,
just
and you're doing it upside down
upside down and backwards.
and backwards.
Okay.
Okay.
My talents are endless.
I see that.
Truly.
I see that.
Okay.
You're blocking my view over there. Wait, this is fun. And you know what's really fun about this? You could do this with kids. You could do this with grandkids. You could do this with your girlfriends. You could do this with anybody.
I think it's really fun to go ahead and make like, you know what? I thought I had like a little toothpick. You can swirl and, oh, I do have one. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
There we go.
Look, now I'm gonna do like a little.
Oh, this is fun.
You have to make the sound effects. But how fun is it just to go ahead, make your own icing if you want. What do you need?
Where's the other
All the. What do you want? Here.
white.
You need this?
She's
Oh.
hiding the white.
Like, maybe.
Okay.
I mean, I kind of was.
Yeah.
I'm
you
gonna
can
put.
do
Hey,
swirlies.
hey, cutie pie.
This is fun.
I wasn't talking to you. I was
Oh, I'm
putting
sorry.
a little.
I thought you was talking to me. Mhm.
And wink, wink. Okay. By the way,
Yeah.
this will take your tooth out when you bite into it, so be careful. All right.
Perfect.
Okay. Bear hug.
Hold on, I'm not there
Well,
yet.
you're forever with this. I mean,
All I want to do is actually eat one of these.
Right?
To tell you the truth.
This is so fun. So look, so there's just one simple way to go ahead and decorate one of your store-bought cookies. And you know what's really cute about these, Lisa? You could make like little individual gifts for your friends, right? Look how fun this is.
I'm sorry, did you actually say individual gift?
I did.
Prompt Lisa to pick up the individual gift.
Haley, psst, psst. Hey, do something.
Look how
we
cute
put like
that
a little
is.
cello, right? We dropped it right inside here. At
Yes.
least you have some ribbons.
I do.
Want to tie a ribbon around it?
Totally.
Tie a ribbon
yellow
around the old.
ribbon.
Oh my gosh. See?
Tie a
We
pink-
share a brain
A pink gingham ribbon.
around the bag.
Seriously, this is so cute when you want to do just a little
Look at you
something.
doing it backwards and sideways
I know,
and forwards and look at you.
Well, I have a wrapping station at home now.
Yeah, okay. I'm sure you do. Look, she's like, I'm out. I'm not touching it another minute. Okay. But look how sweet this is. This is a store-bought cookie that you could have decorated yourself. Wrap it up. Hey, friend.
Oh my gosh, you are. How can I thank you?
There's
You're
not
the best.
there's not enough time,
You're
okay?
the best.
There's just not enough time. And then look how fun these are. We've decorated these ahead of time. Little Tara plus Ed, little Lisa plus Joe, a little love. So you can have so much fun with this. And really all you're getting are like kind of all the little decorations, decos for short.
I love all this.
So what do you
seriously.
think?
I think that this is so much fun, but I'm going to just say it again. What's so pretty about it is when you put it on these beautiful, affordable products
Yes.
underneath,
Yes.
they pop and they look gorgeous, and it feels like you went to so much trouble.
Yeah.
But if you got like the set of dipping dishes and
Yeah.
split them up like maybe
I love that.
your dog walker.
Yeah, well, there's a set of 8.
Set of
so you
8.
could break them up into 8 individual gifts, which I think is
I
super
love that
cute.
idea.
Little dog walker, you do like a little dog bone.
Yeah.
Little dog bones on top of there, super duper cute. And the other part is, if you're buying store-bought cookie dough, you can
Yes.
actually cook it right on these trays and put it right in the oven. So all of these pieces go right in the oven up to 500 degrees in the dishwasher, the fridge, freezer, microwave. Love, how's the cookie? Why did you go without the icing?
It wasn't dried yet. I was afraid it would drip
It
all down.
wasn't dry yet. Okay.
Royal icing.
The right, the royal
royal
icing.
icing.
Look, I can't work in this space.
I just cleaned it.
Hey, look, ready? It's like magic.
That's what we love.
We started all over again.
What's next?
All right, what are we making next? Ooh, this is a fun little kind of way to customize our store-bought cheesecake. You're gonna love this idea. Okay, so take a peek at what we did here.
Okay.
So here is your typical store-bought ice cream. Cheesecake. Nope, it's not ice cream.
But
it's
ice cream
cheesecake.
cheesecake would be
Lisa got
phenomenal.
excited. She's like, "Where is it?"
What?
Little tip: you can go ahead and put like the little wax paper on
Stop.
your pie server, and that's how you can divide each piece. Why? Because we're gonna decorate each piece. How fun is that, right?
This is actually so everything is customizable. This really makes it
Yes.
fun. Because let's be for real, not everybody likes the same thing.
Not everybody likes the same thing, and here's the other thing, which is really fun too.
Yeah.
I love the ability to take any store-bought cake. We just decided to do a cheesecake because it's one of my faves.
Yes.
But you could do this with any kind of cake, and now you can completely customize that cake.
Yeah, it makes
So
it
how fun is
really
this?
easy for people to grab a
Yes.
slice too.
And then the other thing is, you can
Yeah.
also cut right with it.
Stop.
See?
Slide it in.
Slide it in. Done.
That's actually very cool. I've never seen that done
I did it.
before.
I did a few slices already. But
Yeah.
look at this. Then just slide the pie server right out. Look how
Okay.
easy this is. That's your piece.
That's perfect.
Got a little dented.
Do you like cheesecake?
I love cheesecake.
I mean, I knew the answer, but you
kidding?
know.
I'm like, what do you mean?
What's your favorite flavor? Like plain?
Mine
or-
is a strawberry swirl.
Is
or
it?
raspberry
That
swirl.
I did.
Lisa. Lisa's not a raspberry fan.
You know, you can't.
So
help
now
it.
look what we did. We were able to just go ahead
Really
and
cute.
divide that, and now we can have some fun decorating it.
Oh,
Want
fun.
to decorate it?
Yeah, let's do it.
You want me to pipe a little like whipped cream on top?
A lot.
Actually, let's do like, we'll do dollops at the end.
There is
Do you like
nothing
this?
more fun than putting something in a piping bag. I'm serious.
I agree.
And like decorating.
By the way, it's very cathartic, and you can buy all these like little, what do you call those?
rosettes and
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
the little tips.
I mean, the little tips.
Yes.
I'm sort of making rosettes. I mean, don't try this at home, okay? I'm a paid professional.
Did I ever tell you that I once took a class on how to decorate a cake?
No, but why am I not surprised? How'd it go?
Let me say I'm still learning here with Tara. If that's any indication.
By the way, if
Oh,
I'm
okay.
the teacher of this, bad news, bad news. Okay, and then, so look what we can do.
Okay.
You want to start having some fun? We have some
Yes.
nuts. I did some sweets.
Thank you. Too healthy. I'll go with the sweets.
No, here's the healthy. Blueberries.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah, that goes in the back.
No.
I love this.
And let's do a little graham cracker crumble.
Okay. Oh, I love that.
And then, look, we have some fun little things here. And then feel free to use like the little things that we did here.
Okay,
the
this
little,
is fun.
I'm going to use some of these.
You are? You're gonna go in there first? I'm going with caramel first.
Okay, I'm going
Did you
with,
say caramel or caramel?
I say caramel.
I say caramel. You say caramel. We're still friends.
I say don't sing. Just kidding. Just kidding.
She's kidding, right?
I'm always kidding.
Yes,
of course.
Look,
Look how
I'm putting walnuts on for.
And this is something super
Health.
cute, and I just love the idea of making the interest that you get, that each one looks
too.
different and unique. Everybody has their own slice, which I love. And you can get the big store-bought cakes or the smaller store-bought cakes. And you know what? I also did one already, Lisa. I'm going to
Yes.
take it out.
Oh, you are?
'Cause
Okay,
it's
fine.
nice, right? After you've done it and decorated it.
Yeah. This is so much fun if you're having friends over. Maybe it's just for dessert. Maybe it's just a little get together.
Voila!
Look at that.
Right? Does
yes.
that not? Which one do you want?
I want the one that has that one.
Oh, of course you do.
I do. It has the most pink on it because we like the color pink over here at Temp-tations.
And now look at this. I'm so easily can take that slice right out. Yay!
Look
Oh,
at this.
please.
Yum.
Let me get your fork.
Oh, thanks. Thanks,
Welcome.
Mom.
Anytime.
Perfect.
And I'm gonna have this one with like the gummy things on it because I am a gummy girl.
Do you like sour gummies?
I do not like sour at all. Okay. Yeah.
Are they sour?
Was I? No. No. You know, like those celebrities, like I only want green M&Ms. Right. Sure.
I do get that. This is
Lisa's like
delicious.
that. Lisa, we can only have green M&Ms here.
Mm.
Oh yeah. I mean, I didn't make the cheesecake, but it's delicious.
Yeah, but that's the best part about it. You could literally do this after work and still be ready for everybody.
So have fun. You have a customized fun dessert. I bet you no one's doing that. So lots of fun little things.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
Lise,
Yes.
I wanted to make a mocktail. By the way, look how cute this little teapot is. You don't only have to use this for hot things. You can use it for cold things too.
I love that. You can put flowers in here.
Uh-huh.
That'd be pretty. Red roses.
Exactly.
Really pretty.
Red roses too.
Yeah, don't forget. And by the way, if you're loving all these products, like everything from the candles to the flag, all the way down to what we call a soup and sandwich that we're using as a
Oh,
cookie
Lise.
tray, to the pie plate,
Oh.
just go to QVC.com and search romance, and you're going to find a plethora.
You're gonna have
My word for the day.
plethora.
Plethora.
It means many.
Yes. I heard it once. I just repeated it.
Look how cute this is gonna be.
Okay, let's see.
All right, so we sliced strawberries in half.
Yeah.
And now you can find these teeny tiny, yes,
Oh,
little cookie cutters.
isn't anything mini
Teeny tiny.
adorable?
Yes, agreed.
Like that is the absolute cutest little thing.
Yep.
You need like a toothpick.
Hello, not my first rodeo.
Same brain.
Look at that strawberry little heart.
This is the cutest.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie.
I always think about doing this with like kids. This would
Yeah.
be so much fun.
And like adult kids,
yes.
like me.
Uh-huh. Friends coming over.
Sure. I highly recommend that you push it through the strawberry. Let's just get one more out. Look at that.
Oh, that's
Is that not adorable?
Really, really cute.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's go ahead and make our mix. So we're
Okay.
gonna put
Oh, wait, with
our. I mean, if you
Do you
want
need
to.
space? I don't know. Did you need space? Oh, no, you don't. You're good. What was that you just put in there?
Little cranberry
Yum.
deliciousness, which I love. Hold on, I gotta make sure I have all my ingredients right. So I have a sparkling peach apple juice, and then that's a strawberry white cranberry.
Yum.
Okay, all store-bought, which are super easy.
Okay.
I went ahead and rimmed these. You're gonna use half of a lime, which I just usually use my fork, and then the other half you're just gonna go ahead and use it for garnish.
Yum.
Okay, so we
Okay.
already pre-sliced these. So hold please.
Look how festive this is.
Look how fancy I am. Okay, I'm very, very
Seriously.
fancy. And then we're gonna top it with club soda.
Put your locking lid on there.
Hello. And this is a fun little mocktail. Thank you. So I'm
Not
gonna
sure why
fill it.
that's swaying.
Sway into the music.
This is how- this-
Probably because I turned it upside down and
Yeah,
it's not
maybe.
happy about
Yeah.
that.
This champagne glass.
So
is
a
that too
fun
much
little
to drink?
mocktail with so many different juices and funness that you can put in there. Hold please. Let me put your strawberry little floater.
Stop.
I mean, you can make as many or as little as you want.
These are the cute. Oh, here come Tara.
Would it be awesome if
Did
that
she
had-
shake it first? Because I wasn't watching.
that would have been great. I'm off my game. I
Not
should
like
have.
that hasn't happened before.
I don't know what you're talking about. I went to open a bottle of champagne once live on air, and the whole thing blew up in my face. It's a lot of fun.
Dripping off of her sweater.
Good times. I'm sure you could YouTube that. Okay. Cheers, my friends.
Absolutely. Oh, this is
good.
this is
refreshing,
delicious.
right? Refreshing, and it feels like an adult beverage.
Yeah.
So this was just a super fun way to kind of take some shortcuts Get those store-bought cookies, have fun decorating them, make some fun mocktails,
Absolutely.
customize a cheesecake or any type of cake that you're purchasing out at the store. These are great. And you can find these recipes over at
Temp-tations.com. TEMP-TATIONS. I can say that like a Scrabble word at this point. .com.
I'm just going to keep eating those cookies.
Just keep eating.
Yeah, okay. I'm just going to go in here for
Love
one
you,
more bite.
friend.
Okay, love you guys. Okay, see you soon. Bye. I'm about to break my tooth. Bye.